Hi, first graders. Today is Wednesday. We are working on our spoon card, which says ooh, ooh. Make sure that you're following along with us so that you can learn this sound. All right, first sound we have ooh, ooh. Fool. What's the word? Here we have oot, suit. What's the word? G, ooh. What's the word? Z, ooh. What's the word? 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 And last one. Ooh. What's the word? Great. Okay. This word is oot. What's the word? Suit. What's the word? Change S to FL. Think. Say. The word is flute. What's the word? All right, let's sound out this word together. We have a blend here. Sp says sp. Ooh. What's the word? Next one, another blend. Split it up. St. Ooh. What's the word? And last one. Ooth. What's the word? Great. You're gonna say these sounds 2 times as I underline them. Ready? Say ooh, ooh, sn, ooh, ooh, or grr, grr, ooh, 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 bull, bull, ooh, ooh. Y can say y or I or e. FUL is our suffix that says full, full. AI says a. LES is our suffix that means not or without. Less, less. AR says R. All right, sounding out words. Think, say. Word is food. Think, say. The word is to. Think, say. The word is new. Think, say. The word is moo. Think, say. Snoop. Think, say. Room. Think. The U and the L make our ooh sound. Spoon card. Ooh. The word is rule. Think, say. The word is grew. Think, say. The word is group. Think, say. The word is youth. Think, say. The word is juice. Juice. What's the word? Think, say. The word is zoom. Think, say. The word is blue. Think, say. The word is tool. Think, say. The word is truth. Think, say. The word is pain. We add our suffix full at the end, which means full of. we have the word painful. Painful, what's the word? The word painful means full of pain. Next word. Think. Say. The word is end. We add our suffix les at the end, which means without. So we have endless. What's the word? That means without end. So it feels like it's going on forever. Next one. Think. Sorry. Say. The word is use. Use. Then we add full at the end. We have use, full, or full of use. So this coloring pen is very useful. It's very full of use. Next word. Think. Say. The word is clue. Add the suffix less at the end. We have the word clueless. What's the word? That means without a clue. So if you don't know how to do something, you might be clueless. Next word. Think. Say. The word is hope. Add our suffix full at the end. We have the word hopeful or full of hope. Next word. Think. Say. The word is help. Add our suffix less at the end. The word is helpless or without help, unable to help. Next word. Think. Say. The word is harm. Add our suffix full at the end. Our word is harmful or full of harm. Okay, last two. Think. Say. Spoon. Add our suffix full, we have the word spoonful, which means a spoon that is full. And then last one, think. Say. The word is cloud. Add our suffix less at the end, and we have the word cloudless. That means without clouds. So if you look up in the sky and there's no clouds, you would say the sky is cloudless. Okay, we have some sentences. We're going to read each word and then we'll read the sentence together. First one, think. Say. The word is Luke. What's the word? Word is and. Think. Say. The word is June. Found. What's the word? Think. Say. The word is glue. Sight word is at. Sight word is school. Let's read the sentence together. Ready? Read. Luke and June found glue at school. All right, next sentence. We have ooh, b, and then the Y says E. So we have Ruby. Here we have the word used. Sound it out, think. Say. The word is spoon. Sight word is to. Sound it out, think. Say. The word is stir. Sight word is the. Last word, think. Say. The word is stew. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. Ruby used a spoon to stir the stew. Okay, bling words for this week. These words are also on your spelling test. Our first word is bin. What's the word? We spelled bin B-E-E-N. Your turn. B-E-E-N. I have been to the zoo. Been. Let's write it with your writing finger. Ready? Write. B-E-E-N. Been. What's the word? Next word is even. What's the word? We spell even. E-V-E-N. Your turn. E-V-E-N. Even if you don't, I will. Even. What's the word? Writing finger. 3, 2, ready and write. E-V-E-N. Even. This word is oil. What's the word? We spell oil. O-I-L. Your turn. O-I-L. My mom uses oil when she cooks. Oil. Writing finger. 3, 2, ready and write. O-I-L. Oil. What's the word? This word is number. What's the word? We spell number N-U-M-B-E-R. Your turn. N-U-M-B-E-R. Number. What is your lucky number? Writing finger. 3, 2, ready and write. N-U-M-B-E-R. Number. What's the word? Last word is saw. What's the word? We spell saw S-A-W. Your turn. S-A-W. I saw what you were reading. Writing finger. 3, 2, ready and write. S-A-W. The word is saw. What's the word? Good job. Next, we are going to read a story. This is called The Flute Youth. What's it called? All right, let's find some words that have our ooh sound. We have June. We have Jude. We have tunes. All right, let's see. We also have noise, which is our oi sound from last week. And we have loud, which is our ow sound from a few weeks ago. And sound. Let's read the whole thing together. Ready? Read. June and Jude are good pals. They like to listen to lots of tunes. They like the sound of loud drums and the noise of a big sax. And a sax is a saxophone. It's an instrument. Okay, next page. We have June. We have flute and group. We have tunes. Looks like that is it for that one. Ready? Read. One day, June said, let's start a flute group. We can play in a band and make up fun tunes. With wide eyes, Jude said, oh boy, that sounds like fun. We can go to each door and ask our pals. I hope we get enough answers to start our band. Awesome. Really quickly, we have our suffixes FUL and LES that we are focusing on this week. This word is spoon. If we add full at the end, it means full of. So we have a spoon that is full. Okay. Here we have our suffix LESS or less, which means without. So we have the word cloud, then we make it cloudless, which means without clouds. So here we have pain. If we add FUL at the end, it is painful, which means full of pain. It hurts really bad. We have hope and add less at the end, then we have the word hopeless, which means that we don't have hope for what's going to happen. That's all for today, and I will see you on Thursday for PowerPoint again.